Okay, so I just came. I was walking from right there. I came from here. I found something. Like, there's water over there. I checked where I am. There's water over there. And then I'm taking flicks right here, right? I turn, and there's a entire woods back here. So, we're just about to see what's back here. I mean, shit. I was trying to figure out where to do music videos. I gotta focus. I was trying to figure out where to do music videos today. And I went through like a couple of neighborhoods to get here. So I don't exactly know where I am. Where am I? Like, this shit's crazy, dude. There's literally an entire pumpkin down there. And then there's this thing. What the fuck? This has just been here. Like, there's no way, dude. There's no way. Okay, yeah. I'm bookmarking this area. And yeah, that's crazy that I just found